Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Source Monitor in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. Source Monitor is a tool in Adobe Premiere Pro that allows you to view and edit individual clips before adding them to your timeline. It is a useful tool for previewing footage, setting in and out points, and making basic edits such as trimming and marking clips. Let's see what is the difference between Source Monitor and Program Monitor. The Source Monitor is used to view and trim individual clips before adding them to the timeline. You can use it to preview and mark in and out points for a specific clip or a portion of a clip. This allows you to make precise edits and select the best parts of your footage to include in your final sequence. The Program Monitor, on the other hand, is used to view your edited sequence or timeline. It displays the final video output of your project as it will appear to your audience. You can use it to review your work, make final adjustments to the timing and visual effects, and add audio and other finishing touches. To open the Source Monitor in Premiere Pro, you can either double-click on a clip in the project panel, or drag and drop the footage into the Source Monitor. Once the Source Monitor is open, you can use the tilde key to enter full screen mode and press the tilde key again to return. You can use the playback controls to preview your footage. By changing the slider located at the bottom, you can zoom in and out of certain sections. Also, you can trim video with the mark in and mark out buttons. By clicking I for mark in and O for mark out on the keyboard. To drag the clip to the timeline, click the Drag Video Only button. If you want to drag the audio file, use the Drag Audio Only button. You can also move the selected part of the clip and extract another part of the clip from another location, by clicking on the three stripes on the selected part, and dragging it accordingly. You don't need to drag the whole clip to the timeline, you can extract only the part you need. Let's check the use of the Insert and Overwrite buttons. Using Insert button, you can simply insert the abstracted clip to your timeline. If the playhead is in the middle of the video clip in the timeline, it simply insert the clip and it's inserting in between by pushing existing video to a side. If I click Overwrite, it will simply overwrite the clip and insert the abstracted clip into the timeline. There is another button called Export Frame. You can take one frame as JPEG and save it to your desktop or insert back into your project. You also have standard forward and backward buttons that can forward and backward the play, frame by frame. And you also have ability to add markers accordingly to your clip as you wish, and if I double click on the marker, I can use it to give a name, add notes, and comments. The same marker is appear on the clips on the timeline. That's a quick introduction to Source Monitor. You can do more things with Source Monitor, make a comment, and share your experience and ideas with us. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope these tips and techniques have been helpful for your editing process. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video editing tutorials and tips. We would also appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to continue creating great content.